party. I'm Alex, the petit, let's play and learn together. Today I'm gonna cook pancakes the first time in my life. You need flour, melted butter, vanilla aroma, mineral water, eggs, salt, and milk. Let's start. First, I'm gonna put all the eggs in the flour. Very big actually. Now I'm gonna mix it those very well. I like being a chef. Maybe I'm a super chef. I need to have a hat. Now we're gonna put the milk little by little. I added water and now the melted butter. Of salt and we put vanilla aroma and it's already cold. This is the pancake. Look, it stays a bit up. First pancake in my life.